You've seen them rolling through the streets. Garbage trucks lifting bins, swallowing dumpsters, and hauling away the mess we leave behind. But here's the truth. What those trucks are doing is only the beginning. Because garbage trucks don't all do the same job. They're designed to handle different kinds of waste, and once they're full, they carry it into a disposal system that splits into dozens of different streams. Today, we're breaking down 15 types of garbage disposal and how trucks are built to handle each one, from everyday trash to food, fish, chemicals, and even radioactive waste. Here's where it all really goes. This video is sponsored by XPMaps. Want to know more? Then go to www.xpmaps.com or click the link in the description. 1. Landfills, the classic dump run. The most common type of disposal is still the landfill. And for this, garbage trucks are built like compacting beasts. Rear loaders and side loaders pack trash into dense blocks using hydraulic rams. Once full, they head to the landfill and back up to a tipping point. The rear panel opens hydraulically, and the compactor blade pushes the entire load out. At the landfill, bulldozers spread and crush the garbage into layers, while trucks keep the stream moving in and out. Modern landfills also collect methane gas, which can be turned into electricity. So yes, that garbage truck run might actually help power a neighborhood later. 2. Incineration, trucks feeding the fire. Some cities don't bury trash, they burn it. Garbage trucks haul compacted waste directly to waste-to-energy plants. Here, trucks dump their loads into a huge concrete bunker. Overhead, cranes grab the garbage and feed it into giant furnaces that burn at nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius. The heat turns water into steam. The steam spins turbines, and electricity flows to the grid. Fun fact, in countries like Sweden, garbage trucks don't just take trash away, they literally deliver fuel to the local power plant. 3. Recycling, trucks with a split personality. Recycling starts on the curb, and trucks are built for it. Split-body garbage trucks have compartments inside, so one side can hold general trash and the other recyclables. Other fleets use dedicated recycling trucks that collect only paper, glass, or plastics. These are unloaded at materials recovery facilities, where conveyor belts, magnets, and scanners separate everything into neat bales for factories. Here, the truck's role is precision. Keep materials clean, separate, and ready for reuse. 4. Composting, trucks built for organics. Some trucks don't smell like regular garbage trucks. They smell worse. Why? Because they're hauling food scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. These trucks often have sealed bodies and drainage systems to handle all the soggy, leaky mess. They dump loads at composting centers, where waste is piled into long rows called windrows, or sealed in giant tanks. Weeks later, it turns into nutrient-rich soil. In this system, garbage trucks are basically soil delivery trucks in reverse. 5. Anaerobic digestion, trash to gas. Similar trucks also deliver organics to anaerobic digesters. These are sealed facilities where microbes eat food waste in oxygen-free environments, releasing methane. That gas gets captured and burned for energy. Here, garbage trucks are like tankers delivering fuel, except the fuel is still wrapped in banana peels and coffee grounds. 6. Hazardous waste, specialized tanker trucks. Now things get serious. Hazardous waste isn't tossed in the same rear loader as your pizza box. Trucks handling this are often sealed tankers or special box trucks built to prevent leaks. We're talking paint solvents and industrial chemicals, transported under strict rules, tracked by paperwork every step of the way, delivered to secure facilities where they're neutralized or incinerated at extremely high temperatures. These trucks aren't just garbage haulers, they're hazmat carriers on wheels. 7. Medical waste, red bags on board. Hospitals produce tons of waste every day: needles, blood-soaked materials, contaminated gloves. This doesn't ride in your everyday side loader. Medical waste trucks are sealed, labeled, and sometimes refrigerated to prevent decay. They deliver directly to sterilization facilities or high-heat incinerators. Here, garbage trucks are literally protecting public health by making sure dangerous material doesn't leak into the environment. 8. E-waste. Trucks chasing metals. Old laptops, phones, TVs, and batteries. Electronic waste. Many cities run special collection trucks just for this, often box trucks with lift gates for heavier loads. The reason? E-waste contains gold, silver, copper, and lithium, but also lead and mercury that are dangerous. Trucks take these loads to dismantling centers, where parts are stripped, shredded, and sorted. In this case, trucks are treasure haulers, carrying hidden metals worth millions. 9. Chemical disposal. Tanker trucks on patrol. Industrial waste like acids, oils, or chemical byproducts require even tougher rigs. Vacuum tank trucks suck up liquid waste, seal it, and deliver it to treatment plants. Sometimes chemicals are neutralized with other substances before disposal, or locked away in underground facilities. Here, the truck itself is the first line of containment. One leak could mean disaster. 10. Radioactive waste, the heaviest duty of all. When it comes to radioactive waste, garbage trucks look very different. Reinforced flatbeds and container carriers haul sealed steel drums lined with concrete. This comes from hospitals, labs, and nuclear plants. Trucks deliver it to long-term storage sites, often deep underground. These aren't everyday runs. Drivers are highly trained, and the trucks are tracked every mile. In this case, the garbage truck is practically a vault on wheels. 11. Food waste, from kitchens to trucks. In many cities, food waste is collected in green bins by dedicated food waste trucks. These trucks are designed with sealed hoppers to contain odor and liquid. Loads go to compost, digesters, or sometimes animal feed processing plants. Some even run routes specifically to restaurants and supermarkets. The garbage truck here is a middleman between your dinner plate and tomorrow's soil or fuel. 12. Fish waste, the smelliest loads. Fishing ports and seafood markets generate tons of fish guts, scales, and bones. Specialized garbage trucks, often refrigerated, haul this to rendering plants where it's turned into fish meal, fertilizer, or even pet food. Drivers say these are some of the worst-smelling loads in the business, but they're crucial. Without trucks, coastal cities would drown in seafood waste. 13. Construction and demolition waste, the big roll-offs. For construction sites, you don't see compactors. Instead, roll-off trucks deliver and pick up massive open-top containers. Concrete, bricks, wood, and steel go in. Trucks roll the container back onto the chassis and haul it to crushers or recycling yards. Here, trucks are hauling literal building blocks of cities, from demolition rubble to new raw material. 14. Sewage sludge, vacuum trucks at work. Not glamorous, but vital. Sewage treatment plants produce sludge, thick, muddy waste. Vacuum trucks suck it up and deliver it for drying, composting, or incineration. Some sludge is even turned into fertilizer pellets. It's dirty work, but these trucks are key to keeping cities sanitary. 15. Bulky waste, when trucks need backup. Furniture, mattresses, refrigerators, even cars. Bulky waste often requires special lift-equipped trucks or tow-style rigs. Loads are taken to shredders that tear entire couches and appliances into metal, fabric, and wood components. For the biggest items, garbage trucks aren't enough. They team up with heavy haulers. So, what does this all mean? Garbage trucks aren't just one type of machine. They're a fleet of specialists, each designed for a different type of waste. Rear loaders compacting residential trash, roll-offs hauling demolition rubble, tankers carrying chemicals, refrigerated trucks hauling fish guts, even reinforced rigs moving radioactive waste. Every truck plays a role in one of the biggest hidden industries on Earth, keeping billions of tons of waste moving, sorted, and processed. So the next time you see a garbage truck outside your window, think about this. It might not just be taking away trash. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the hidden world of waste trucks, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments, which type of garbage truck surprised you the most? This video is sponsored by XPMaps.